How to create 3D product mockup from 2D design in Photoshop. On your Photoshop desktop app, open the design that you would like to create a 3D wrap. So I created one design already, so I'm going to open that. So I thought about soda can while I created this one. So now I'll try to wrap it in a soda can. So you can see the design is made on 2D at the moment. Now I'll go to the 3D and go to new mesh from layer. There you will see the mesh presets, and I'll go to the soda. There you'll see my 2D design is perfectly wrapped into a soda can. Now you can go to 3D mode to rotate the design. Yeah, you'll see the shadow moving while you rotate, and you can even move the can, zoom in, zoom out. So this is how you can create a 3D wrap out of a 2D design. Now I'll go to the layer and let's add a background layer to it. Let's go back to the 3D and rotate it a little bit to make shadow visible. Now you can even try other wrap options. Let's go to the history and delete all our progress and go back to the design. Now let's go back to 3D to explore other presets. So let's try it in pyramid. You can see the design has been wrapped into the pyramid. Here let's try another one. So I'll try the wine bottle. There you can see a wine bottle wrapped very well with the design we have made. This is how you can create a 3D wrap out of a 2D design on Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. Bye.